From Satya Negara Indonesia University of Jakarta, I'm going to present the effect of work discipline, career development, and indirect compensation on employee performance by Edi Siregar. In the current era of globalization, many companies are required to be able to maximize employee performance. Companies must be able to analyze the factors that can optimize employee performance. Good and professional HR is very helpful in maximizing employee performance in the company. The success of the company does not only depend on modern equipment, facility, and complete infrastructure, but also depend on the human resource who do the work. Not all companies have quality human resource. Efforts are needed to improve and develop the quality of human resource. Employee performance is very necessary. Employee performance is the result of work done by someone in company organization to achieve the expected goal and maximizing losses. Employee performance is the willingness of a person or group of people to carry out an activity in accordance with their responsibility with the expected result. Employee performance is the result of the synergy of number of factors and many factors that affect employee performance. Dimension of employee performance: A. Number of jobs, B. Quality of work, C. Timeliness, D. Attendance, and E. Ability to work together. Indirect compensation varies. Providing indirect compensation is needed for the welfare of employees and their families to improve work performance and productivity. Indirect compensation is payment that complement the basic salary given to employee, the basis of the performance achieved by an employee. Indirect compensation also serves to motivate employees to work higher productivity. Every company has proficiency and capabilities in providing indirect compensation for its employees. Not all employees get indirect compensation facilities for their performance. The following dimension: A. Supplementary allowance, B. Insurance benefit, C. Old age benefit, and D. Services allowance. Employee work discipline is needed to achieve company goals. Without discipline, activities employed will bring unsatisfactory results. Work discipline is an operational function of HR management. Excellent employee discipline will speed up company goals. A good form of discipline will be reflected in the atmosphere. A. The high level of employee concern for achieving company's goal. B. High enthusiasm for work and initiative of employee in doing work. C. Magnitude of the employee's sense of responsibility to carry out the task. D. The sense of belonging and a high sense of solidarity among employees. E. Increased work efficiency and productivity of employee. Dimension of work discipline: A. Purpose and ability, B. Leadership model, C. Remuneration, D. Justice, E. Supervision attached, F. Penalty and sanction, G. Firmness, and H. Human relationship. Career development is the process of identifying employee career. Career development is a system and procedure in providing opportunity for every employee to examine his career in organization. Career development is not only based on work loyalty, but also several characteristics that are in line with company criteria. An employee working not only want to get what he has today, but also expect change, progress, and opportunity to advance to higher and better level. Each company, in providing career development opportunities for its employee, also has own term and condition in accordance with its internal policy. Dimension career development: A. Job performance, B. introduction by other parties. C, network. D, resignation. E, loyalty to the organization. F, guidance and sponsor. G, subordinate who have a key role. And H, opportunities for growth. Research method. The variable in the study, independent variable, work discipline, career development, and indirect composition, while the event variable, employee performance. Researchers use census sampling technique among 60 respondents. The population is normally distributed. The regression model meets the normality assumption. The analysis technique used in this study is a statistical test using multiple linear regression analysis technique, and multi-linearity test found a correlation between independent variables. Partially, hypothesis testing is done by t-test. The result of the partial hypothesis test show that there is a partial effect between work discipline and employee performance, career development on employee performance, and indirect composition on employee performance. Simultaneous tests to determine the effect of the independent variable together on the dependent variable use the fit-F test. The results of the simultaneous hypothesis, each one is accepted, thus there is an effect simultaneous between work discipline, career development, and indirect composition on employee performance. The result of determination coefficient test, work discipline variable contribute to employee performance by 54.2%. Career development variable contributing to employee performance by 47%. Indirect composition variable contributing to employee performance of 54.5%. Work discipline, career development, and indirect composition contributing to employee performance by 64%, and the remaining 36% is influenced by other factors outside the research variable. Conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion in this study: 1. There is a partial effect between work discipline and employee performance. 2. There is a partial effect between career development on employee performance. 3. There is a partial effect between indirect composition on employee performance. And 4. There is simultaneous influence between work discipline, career development on indirect composition on employee performance by 64%. Of 3 independent variables, the indirect composition variable gave the largest contribution to performance by 54.5%, while the smallest contribution was given the career development variable with a contribution of 48%. Based on this conclusion, the researchers give recommendation: 1. Special for employees in order to further increase knowledge and further improve accuracy in working so work mistake can be avoided. 2. For companies to pay more attention to the future of employee with career development and indirect composition so that employees are comfortable and have job loyalty. 3. For researchers, enhance knowledge and insight so that they can apply their knowledge. 4. Special for leaders who will conduct research, add or replace other variable to get it. Thank you for your attention by watching my video presentation, the effect of work discipline, career development, and indirect composition on employee performance. God bless and see you again.